Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if it's not, thank you so much for your support and coming back. In today's video, I am sharing with you my spring/Easter thrift store haul. I found some pretty nice items. Some of these will have a complete makeover. Some of these will have just a little touch up, and maybe some of these will remain exactly the way they are. So grab a nice warm cup of tea and let's get started. I found a beautiful, I don't know, some kind of a metal, stainless steel, whatever that, aluminum, I guess aluminum. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. I paid $6 for this piece. That's probably gonna stay just as is. And I'm gonna put that in my decor. I may add a little touch to it, but really not much at all. This is absolutely gorgeous, just the way it is. I found this beautiful solid wood base. I'm guessing this might have been a candle holder of some sort. I paid $3.99 for this piece, and I'm definitely going to do a DIY with this piece. I found this metal water can. It's flat on the back. I paid $6 for this. I'm not sure if I'm going to modify this, maybe just a little. I think this is a really nice color for Easter. You're going to see a lot of brownish tones into my Easter decor, so I think this will be perfect. I found this cute little wreath. I paid $2 I think for this, or maybe $1. So I'm definitely going to integrate this into my Easter decor. These are cute little wooden frame. I paid $3 for 4 of these, a pack of 4. And this will definitely be a really nice DIY for my decor. 2 beautiful candle holders. I paid $1 each. These are real pottery. They have a signature on the bottom. These are absolutely gorgeous. So I think I can make use of these in my Easter decor. A big candle holder stick. I'm definitely doing a DIY with this piece, so stay tuned. I paid $3 for this piece. Well worth it. Every time I go to the thrift store and I see one of these on the shelf, I always pick it up. $3.99, and I have multiple of these on hand. But you know what? You never know what you may want to use them for, and you may want to have multiple of these. So I always grab them when I see them. Another wreath. This I paid $4. I don't know if it's a bit much for it or not. I'm thinking it is. But you know what? I said, oh, I'm going to pick it up anyways, and I'm sure I can make good use out of this. Got a canister set. This is a 3-piece set with the cover. This is the medium size. Small size. And the large size. I paid $3.99 for this large canister. And I paid $4.99 for the other 2. Why were they separate? I have no idea. But anyways, I grabbed them because I really like the flat front in these pieces, and these will definitely be a DIY. Found one other one. I had one of these already. I picked another one. It's a little strainer. I paid $1.99 for this piece, and you know that this will be a DIY. I already have a good idea for this one. This is, I'm thinking, one of those hot plate thing. This is a ceramic tile, so I paid $4.99 for this. I really like the thickness of the wood. The wood, the way it is perfect. I'm not gonna touch any of that, but I'm going to modify this. So this will be one of my DIYs. I know you're thinking, what will she do with that? I paid $10 for this, and I can do multiple things with this one particular item. If you see this in a thrift store, grab it, take this all apart. All these spindles can be used for multiple projects, and these can also be modified to use on projects as well. So if you, this is my second one of these that I find, not the same, the other one is much larger. But when I see these and these beautiful wood spindle, yeah, it's definitely a grab. I don't know if I'll use it in this decor or not, but I wasn't leaving it behind for sure. Two of these little candle holders. I'm sure I'll find an idea to DIY these little beauties. I paid $1 for both. Look at these, folks. How cute are these? There is no way I was leaving that behind. I paid $3.99 each piece, and to my opinion, well worth it. Where would I find beautiful little bunny figurines like these? They are just too perfect. And you will see in my Easter decor, brown bunnies, lots of brown bunnies. Two of these pots, $3 each, but they are solid like concrete. So I really like these. I have two of them. So these will be a DIY for sure. And two of these solid wooden candle holders. Definitely another DIY. So that's it for my thrift store haul. For now, I may go back and find some more treasures. You never know. But let me know what you think in the comments down below of these items. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like what you see, well, today is a perfect day to hit that subscribe button. So until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.